If you're wondering how to stay under budget while using CoConstruct for your projects, you're in the right place. CoConstruct Budgeting 101 is all about giving you the tools to manage your costs effectively and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage CoConstruct's features to keep your projects on track, under budget, and stress-free. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try out CoConstruct completely free through the first link below, with exclusive bonuses just for you. But more on that later. Now, let's talk about how CoConstruct helps you stay under budget. The first thing you need to know is that budgeting isn't just about setting a number. It's about setting realistic expectations and tracking every single cost along the way. CoConstruct gives you the ability to break down your budget by categories, which helps you avoid overlooking small but important expenses. Next thing, CoConstruct allows you to track every change in real time. This is crucial because projects are fluid and change often. If a change occurs, whether it's a scope adjustment or a cost increase, CoConstruct updates your budget instantly. You can immediately see the impact and make the necessary adjustments to stay on target. The third thing is the integration with suppliers and subcontractors. CoConstruct makes it easy to manage invoices and orders. If you're getting quotes from multiple suppliers, you can upload them directly into the software and compare. This gives you more control over pricing and ensures you're making the best decision for your budget. Moving on, CoConstruct offers a detailed forecasting tool that helps you predict costs before they happen. By using the forecasting feature, you can anticipate price fluctuations or potential overruns and take preventative action. This feature works hand in hand with the budget management tools to keep your project on track. Now, the fifth thing to keep in mind is collaboration. CoConstruct is designed for teams to collaborate seamlessly. Whether you're working with contractors, clients, or other team members, everyone can access and contribute to the budget. This collaborative approach helps you catch any discrepancies early on, reducing the chance of overspending down the line. The sixth thing is CoConstruct's powerful reporting tools. With these, you can run various reports to get a clear picture of your financial situation at any given time. Whether it's a simple cost comparison or an in-depth analysis, these reports help you stay on top of your budget and make data-driven decisions to keep things in line. Lastly, CoConstruct's user-friendly interface means that you can easily navigate through your budget without getting lost in complicated menus. The simpler you can make budgeting, the more effective you'll be at sticking to it. CoConstruct's clean design allows you to focus on what matters most, keeping your projects on budget. So, to recap, CoConstruct helps you stay under budget by offering features like detailed budget breakdowns, real-time tracking, supplier integrations, forecasting, collaboration, and powerful reporting. Each of these features works together to make budgeting a more accurate, efficient process. And don't forget, you can get CoConstruct for free with exclusive bonuses just by using the first link below. This free trial will give you full access to all the features we discussed, so you can start using them in your own projects and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember, CoConstruct is the key to mastering budgeting and keeping your projects under budget, all while streamlining the process. Enjoy your extended free trial and get started today.